Hello guys, so it's me again, and today I want to introduce you to some of the really cool and top selling products here at Orient Power. This is the big boy. This is the 11 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery, and with this one it's rack mounted like these ones over here, and it has 48 volts, 230 amp hours, and it's compatible with almost all the inverters out there. Like, we have our own inverters, but if you have your own inverter, it's compatible with it as well. And for the shipment options, we have CIL, FOB, XW. We got you covered in all that. And we have stock in Australia, we have stock in the US, we have distributors in Europe. So wherever you are, you can contact us. Of course, we have stock in China as well. And these things are affordable. Okay, so get in touch, get yourself some batteries, and you're good to go. See you next time. Bye.